Let your light so shine before man. Hello friends, this is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us as I am sharing with you Matthew 5:16. Let your light so shine before man that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Can you be a light to others? Shine before man and live a godly lifestyle. Live with God's favor and provision. Remember that He is the one who is leading and guiding your life today. Trust in God.